So this video looks pretty terrible because we are going to be doing some automations. So basically the idea is I want to take a Google Sheet, but I want to update the text in a certain cell from a Google Doc. So here's the Google Doc. This is what it looks like. It's just going to be some text, and I want to update this A1 on the tab called Doc. So whatever your use case is for this, that you want to take a doc, update a sheets cell, this is what we're going to do in this video. What we need to do, a couple things, is we want to create a menu up here so that we can update this. And there's some other ways we can do the automation, but I just want to make it like a user will update it when they're ready. So I'm going to go up to extensions, AppScript in my Google. Here I'm going to create a function called onOpen. Now this is a built-in function, so I don't need to do anything else except add the actual menu, which is variable UI equals DocumentApp.get, and then I'm going to do createMenu. I'm going to name this update. So I can name this automations, I can name this custom menu. I'm going to say update Google Sheet actually, because there's only going to be one function in here, which is addItem, and here we're going to name it update my Google Sheet, and then we're going to put the name of the function inside of here. So update Google Sheet, all one word for the second part. The second one is down here, function update Google Sheet, and we're going to create a function down here. Last thing we need to do here is .addToUi. Don't forget that. This is easily forgettable, and essentially you're going to save this, close it, and refresh the sheet so that it actually executes that onOpen. And if you didn't add that UI, it just wouldn't work here. Next to help, there'll be one. Let's see if there's a error. It says completed. There it is. Oh, just took a little bit of time, a little bit of moment. So next to help or accessibility will be update Google Sheet. If I click it, it says update my Google Sheet. And if I go into my editor here of AppScript, it will execute whatever is here. So if I say variable UI, if I use this as well, and I go alert, hey, you click, and I save that. I don't, now that it's this function onOpen has triggered and it's happening, I just need to update this. And now if I click it, hey, you clicked. Cool. So it's working. I need to actually write the update now. Now I need to take the text from here and put it into here. So I need a variable, which is going to be, let's make a global variable sheet equals, and in quotes, this sheet. So I'm going to say variable sheet equals SpreadsheetApp. I think we need to open.byUrl sheet. So I'm going to put that in all caps there. So we want to get the tab variable doc, tab equals sheet.getSheetByName, and that's doc. So you have your URL up here, you have the tab that we're looking at here, and I'm going to go sheet.getRange. The range, actually, sorry, we want to get doc tab, getRange. So inside of that tab, we're going to do, can do A1, but what I like to do in AppScript is 1, 1. This is row, then column. Why that is because then these numbers become programmable, meaning I can iterate through them, so I can do an entire row, an entire column. I can do a lot of much more interesting stuff than writing just hard coding, essentially. We're talking about A1 here. So 1, 1 without quotes, set value. We want to get all that doc stuff. So what's all this stuff? Well, let's create a variable up here. Doc stuff is equal to DocumentApp.getActiveDocument.getBody.getText. Now what is this? This is just all of the text that's inside of this Google Doc. So right now it's just going to be, say, update inside of the sheet, that text. And that's all the doc stuff. And we're going to set that value. So let's run this. I'm going to run this from my doc. I'm going to say update my Google Sheet. It might ask me for authorization. Yes, it does. This will only be the very first time you run it. And if we go back to our sheet, it says update inside of the sheet, which is this. Check if it's updated. Please pray and hope it's okay. Can I make spaces or new lines? More? Let's see. Update my doc or sheet. There it is. Oh, and it has all of the new lines in there. Perfect. Isn't that cool? So we can take a Google Doc, update a Google Sheet from that Google Doc, at least one particular cell. Hope you enjoyed that, and fairly fun little quick function here with a sheet here, and you learned also the onOpen function. Awesome. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.